Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. We are back with a new video and today's topic is the vocabulary that we require while using computers. On va apprendre le vocabulaire de l'ordinateur. Let's get into the video et on commence par le premier vocabulaire. Ça c'est un ordinateur. Un ordinateur, which means a computer. Now, un ordinateur de bureau, which means a desktop computer. Un ordinateur de bureau. And if I say un ordinateur portable, which means your laptop. Par exemple, je préfère travailler sur mon ordinateur portable au lieu de mon ordinateur de bureau, which means I prefer working on my laptop instead of my desktop computer. Now, what is the first thing that we do while using the computers? We switch it on. So, the verb goes like this. On peut utiliser allumer, allumer, ou mettre en route, ou démarrer. Allumer, mettre en route ou démarrer. Par exemple, je ne peux pas allumer mon ordinateur depuis ce matin. Je ne peux pas allumer mon ordinateur depuis ce matin. Which means I'm not able to switch on my computer since this morning. You can also say je ne peux pas démarrer mon ordinateur depuis ce matin. C'est la même chose, hein? The opposite would be éteindre l'ordinateur. Éteindre l'ordinateur, which means to switch off the computer. Par exemple, quand on a fini de travailler, il faut éteindre l'ordinateur. Quand on a fini de travailler, il faut éteindre l'ordinateur. Which means, when we are finished working, you should always switch off the computer. Maintenant, quatrième, un écran. Un écran, which means a screen. Un écran, which means a screen. Now, if you want to say a touch screen, then you can say un écran tactile. Un écran tactile, which means a touch screen. Par exemple, je préfère travailler sur un écran tactile. Je préfère travailler sur un écran tactile, which means I prefer working on a touch screen. On continue avec une souris. Une souris, which means a mouse. Now, if I want to say a wireless mouse, I'll say une souris sans fil. Une souris sans fil. Fil, which actually means a thread, but if I'm saying sans fil means without thread or without wire. So, une souris sans fil, which means a wireless mouse. Now, the verb associated with this is cliquer sur la souris. Cliquer sur la souris, which means clicking on the mouse. Remember, the verb cliquer is a normal ER verb. So, cliquer sur la souris, which means clicking on the mouse. Par exemple, je clique sur la souris pour sélectionner quelque chose sur mon écran. I know it's a pretty long sentence. Je clique sur la souris pour sélectionner quelque chose sur mon écran, which means I click on the mouse for selecting, sélectionner, which means selecting something on my screen. Mon écran, écran, which means my screen. Il y a deux boutons sur la souris, which means there are two buttons on the mouse. Le bouton droit et le bouton gauche. Le bouton droit, which means the right click, et le bouton gauche, which means the left click. Alors, faire un clic droit, which means a right click, ou on peut dire faire un clic gauche, which means a left click. This is like a verb. Faire un clic droit ou faire un clic gauche. Maintenant, un clavier. Un clavier, which means a keyboard. Un clavier. Try to repeat after me, okay? Un clavier, which means a keyboard. Maintenant, il y a des touches sur le clavier. Il y a des touches. Touches, which means the keys. Alors, il y a des touches sur le clavier. There are keys on the keyboard. Exemple, je tape. Le verbe c'est taper. Je tape sur les touches de mon clavier. Je tape sur les touches de mon clavier, which means I type on the keys of the keyboard. Et on continue avec le prochain vocabulaire, which is une unité centrale. Une unité centrale, which means your CPU. Une imprimante. Une imprimante. Imprimante, which means a printer. Une imprimante. Now, it's a noun. The verb associated with this in English is what? To print. So in French, we call it as imprimer. Imprimer. Imprimer, which means to print. Alors, par exemple, je dois imprimer tous les documents. Je dois imprimer tous les documents, which means I have to take a printout of all the documents. On continue avec une clé USB. Une clé USB, which means your pen drive. Now, we insert a pen drive into a USB port. So, what do we say to a USB port? La prise USB. La prise USB. Now, prise, which means your plug. Par exemple, mets la clé USB dans la prise USB. Mets la clé USB dans la prise USB, which means put the pen drive into the USB port. The last vocabulary for today's video is un scanner. Un scanner. Scanner, which means a scanner. That's a noun. The verb associated with this is scanner. Scanner, which means to scan. Now that's a normal ER verb. Par exemple, je dois scanner tous mes documents. Je dois scanner tous mes documents, which means I have to scan all my documents. Thank you so much for watching the video. We are about to hit 20,000 subscribers very soon, and I would like to thank you for all the love that you people show in the form of views, likes and comments. We are getting so many inquiries these days for French classes from all over the world, and I'm happy that I'm getting in contact with new people, with so many people these days. Also, have a look at my website learnfrenchbysuchita.com, which lists various courses. You can have a look at the website and you can select the courses according to your need. For now, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.